The Bartlett Deck project was completed in the summer of 2006. A two-level deck with flower boxes, lights, privacy screens, stairs, storage area, and pergola, the project proved to be an exciting build for the team at Majore Landscaping. A cooperative design, the deck was constructed over a 7-day period. The finished deck drew great praise from friends and neighbors and proved to be an impressive addition to this recently built bungalow. With design plans finalized, the job site was prepared with markers. The first step was to establish a solid footing for the deck as holes were drilled down to a depth of 4 feet to ensure a secure base and prevent movement due to frost. Cement columns were poured and mounting brackets put in place and let set overnight for the next day's task of building the crib. Beautiful white cedar was the selected construction material for the visible portion of the deck, whereas pressure-treated pine was selected for the cribbing and joists. To ensure a long life for this deck, Doug and his team took the time to find the proper quality materials they desired. Several phone calls to lumber suppliers and a few on-site inspections proved beneficial as Doug and the client got just what they were looking for. The crib took shape in just a day. Constructed entirely out of pressure-treated pine, the client got their first look at the quality of Majore Landscaping construction. Clean lines, no compromise in strength or quality, this was a solid structure and it was here to stay. The next step was to lay the floor surface and close in the space between the top and bottom levels of the deck. The floor surface of the deck was made from white cedar 2x4s and laid on the crib in a diagonal direction. One direction for the top level and a different direction for the bottom. By using 2-inch decking material, this deck will neither give underfoot or warp and bend as 1-inch decking tends to do. Flower boxes were constructed out of the same white cedar, as this is an excellent material for tolerating moisture. The lighting for this deck was supplied by small LED fixtures placed within the vertical surfaces of the stairs. These small lights offer both beauty and safety while enjoying the deck during the night. Easily the most visually impressive part of this deck is the pergola. Constructed from solid 6x6 white cedar beams and topped with 2x8s of the same material, the beams were notched together and artfully shaped to create a magnificent canopy. The attention to detail and craftsmanship is no more evident than high above in the corner posts. Stairs, railings, and removable benches are some of the final steps of this magnificent project. It's been 7 days of hard work and the result is nothing short of fantastic. The flower boxes have been filled with earth and mums have been planted to finish out the year. The removable benches are in place and the client has already moved their patio furniture onto the deck. The privacy wall and storage area are performing as intended, and the pergola provides partial shade during the hot summer afternoons. The work is now complete, and Doug and his team are off to another project site and a new set of challenges. From a plain and simple backyard, the team at Majore Landscaping created the small piece of heaven this family always wanted. Give Majore Landscaping a call, and make your backyard dreams come true.